I am so excited to bring you my 5th Scrap-A-Thon, which will begin on March 1st, 2020 till March 31st, 2020. What does this mean? Well, first, it will be a self-paced class where we're going to have 31 different prompts or challenge and a page video for each prompt and challenge. Here are a few examples of some prompts. A grid layout with color ins, a pie layout, mixed media layout on canvas, large photo, a page in 20 minutes, and so much more. Then there will be a Facebook group where we're going to chat every day about the prompts or challenges. I will also schedule time for some Facebook Live where we're going to complete a layout together. Plus, you will receive a PDF file that you'll be able to use over and over again. Upon purchase of this class, you will receive the first 5 prep videos so we can all be ready to get our scrap on by March 1st. Then, there will be a video a day uploaded to the class area, which means that there will be over 35 videos. This class is $40, but until March 15th, 2020, you can purchase for $30. For previous class members, check your email for a bonus coupon. For more information on this class and all other classes I offer, please visit NicoleJones91.com. See you in class.